software is also known as general software. And customized software is also known as tailored software. Good afternoon. I think today open source software. Yes or no? Please give response, students. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know Google code.
Which one we will read today?
Application.
Or program to design to solve specific tasks. There are two types of application software. One is customized software, that is also known as tailored software. Another is a package software, that is also known as general purpose software. Application software is used to fulfill the requirement of a user. It is used to fulfill the requirement of user. There are two types of application software. One is general software, another is customized software.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 40. Software means a custom. It is the fulfill the requirement of individual, any office or organization. Customized software के हुन्छ सिंगल जस्तो हाम्रो स्कुलको छुट्टै सफ्टवेयर छ कि छैन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ब्याङ्कको छुट्टै सफ्टवेयर हुन्छ, अफिसको छुट्टै सफ्टवेयर हुन्छ, हस्पिटलको छुट्टै सफ्टवेयर हुन्छ. द्याट इज रिलेटेड कस्टमाइज सफ्टवेयर. ओके, यो कस्टमाइज सफ्टवेयर भनेको कस्टमरको रिक्वायरमेन्ट, हामीले जो इन्फर्मेसन दिन्छौँ त्यो इन्फर्मेसन लिएर सफ्टवेयर बनाउँछ. जस्तो हामीले स्कुलको सफ्टवेयर बनाउनलाई हामीले के हुन्छ, स्टुडेन्ट डिटेल्समा स्टुडेन्ट्स नेम, रोल नम्बर, क्लास, सेक्सन, प्यारेन्ट्स नेम, लोकल गार्जियन नेम, एड्रेस, फोन नम्बर, इमेल एड्रेस, ब्लड ग्रुप, टेम्पोररी एड्रेस, पर्मानेन्ट एड्रेस हुन्छ. हाम्रो स्कुलको सफ्टवेयर बनायौँ भनेपछि त्यसपछि इन्फर्मेसन रिलेट स्कुलको इन्फर्मेसन हुन्छ है. अब हस्पिटलको बनाउँदा फेरि के हुन्छ, ओपिडी वार्डको इन्फर्मेसन हुन्छ, जनरल वार्डको इन्फर्मेसन हुन्छ, कुन डक्टर कुन डे अभाइलेबल हुन्छ, पेसेन्टको डिटेलहरू जो हुन्छ, फेरि कतिजना पेसेन्टहरू आए त्यो डिटेल हुन्छ, त्यसपछि अपरेसन थिएटरमा कुन डक्टर कुन बेला अभाइलेबल हुन्छ त्यो डिटेल हुन्छ नि. हामीले जो इन्फर्मेसन दिन्छन् त्यो इन्फर्मेसन कलेक्ट गरेर सफ्टवेयर बनाउँछ. द्याट सफ्टवेयर इज नोन एज अ कस्टमाइज सफ्टवेयर or tailored software. Custom software are involved to handle that. Just the school software. We also involved in school software. We are all access is school software, but some people have authority to change, delete, edit information. Okay, तो भनेको customized software. It is related to fulfill the customer requirement. Individual भी नहीं होना सकता, any office भी नहीं होना सकता, organization होना सकता, insurance company होना सकता, etc. And this software lowest to highest price. Suppose मैले धेरै इन्फर्मेसन राख्न छ भनेपछि त्यो इन्फर्मेसन के हुन्छ, एक्सपेन्सिभ हुन्छ त्यो सफ्टवेयर बनाउनलाई. अब हामीले इन्फर्मेसन राखेर बनाउन चाहेछौँ भनेपछि त्यो के हुन्छ, सानो अफिस छ त्यो अफिसको लागि के हुन्छ, त्यसमा हामीले लो कस्टमा बनाउँछौँ. जस्तो भाटबटनी सुपर मार्केट हामीले सर्च गर्छौँ, हामी इन्फर्मेसन पाउँछौँ कि पाउँदैनौँ?
Yes, ma'am.
कुन सफ्टवेयर हुन्छ भनेको this type of software, that is customized software. And customized भाटबटनीको के हुन्छ, product details, number of, and then location, phone number, and then timing. And next is a tailored software. sorry, general software. Customized software is also known as tailored software. Now, general software to solve specific task. It solves for specific task. Any person can access that software. Any person can access that software. That software is generally used MS Office. That software is generally used for MS Office and other software. Like for typing, we will use MS Word. For create information, mathematics, presentation. For designing picture, image, we will use graphics software. For listening music, watching video, we will use multimedia software, like Windows Media Player, and then VLC Media, etc. Understood? What is the difference between customized and tailored software? Customized and package software? Listen. Customized software for customer requirement. Package software for to solve specific tasks. Okay. Customized software, less people are involved. Customized software, less people are involved.
Less people are involved.
Sorry, package software, more people are involved. Okay. Customized software is expensive. Customized software is expensive, and package software is cheaper. Package software is cheaper. And customized software example is hospital, college, individual, any organization, etc.
Banking system, resort.
Yeah, very good.
Bank.
Hotel.
Very good. And package software example is word processing software,
Word processing,
MS software,
spreadsheet,
graphics,
database, multimedia, graphic.
Spreadsheet package.
Any confusion?
No,
Any
ma'am.
confusion, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
About the different
No, ma'am.
clear भने open भनेको sorry customize र package भनेको के हो customize भनेको less people are involved, package मा more people involved हुन्छ, customize expensive हुन्छ, package cheapest हुन्छ, customize like individual requirement of user हुन्छ, और package मा specific task को लागि हामीले use गर्छौं. And then after example you give. Okay. The software which are freely available on the internet. The software which are freely available on the internet is known as open source software. It is also known as OSS. Okay. In exam time, suppose for example, what is the full form of OSS? What you will write?
Open source software.
Source software.
Open. And तिमीहरुको बुकमा
Open source software.
तिमीहरुको बुकमा अपरेटिङ सिस्टम सफ्टवेयर पनि छ है. OSS फुल फर्म इज बुझ्यौ?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
BLE मा प्री BLE OS भनेको अपरेटिङ सिस्टम हुन्छ, तर बुकमा के लेखेको छ OSS अपरेटिङ सिस्टम सफ्टवेयर. वेट go to page number 38.
Yes, ma'am.
There is written
Yes, ma'am.
operating system software or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, in exam time, suppose what is the full form of OSS? You write open source software. Operating system software, short form is OS. Okay.
Okay,
Operating
ma'am.
system
Okay,
short
ma'am.
form OS हुन्छ. Operating system को short form OS हुन्छ, तर तिमीहरुको operating system software भनेछ, त्यही भएर OSS भनेन. OSS means open source software. In last page full form छ कि छैन? त्यहाँ पनि
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
full form
ma'am.
मा पनि तिमीहरुको OSS operating system software / open भनेको छ. तिमीले open source software नै लेख है.
Okay, ma'am.
BLE मा लास्ट इयर आएको थियो, धेरैजनाको यो रङ भएको थियो, त्यही भएर. What is open source software?
which is freely available in the
Which is freely available software on internet.
Freely available software on internet.
The software which are freely available on the internet is known as open source software. And open source software, we don't we are user do not need any license. That license is general public license. That license name is general public license. And the example of open source software is Linux, OpenOffice, MS Office, Netscape Navigator, Unix. Okay, up to here, anyone confusion?
no ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask some question related. हुन्छ. And then sorry, antivirus. Can you listen me, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Antivirus software internet मा freely हामीले डाउनलोड गर्न मिल्छ नि. बुझ्यो? एन्टिभाइरस सफ्टवेयर इन्टरनेटबाट हामीले फ्रीली डाउनलोड गर्न मिल्छ. तर त्यो के हो, ओपन सोर्स सफ्टवेयर भयो कि भएन भन त?
Yes ma'am.
नो. Good, Sirjan, very good. Listen, internet मा हामी सपोज एन्टिभाइरस सफ्टवेयर हामी डाउनलोड गरेपछि इट वर्क only 5 days, 7 days or 15 days. That is known as trial version. Okay, trial गर्नलाई हामी इन्टरनेटबाट डाउनलोड गर्न मिल्छ. त्यसको लिमिटेड पिरियड हुन्छ 15 days, 5 days or 7 days है. That is not in open source software. That is trial version. अब हामीले साच्चैको एन्टिभाइरस सफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड गर्न छ भनेपछि हामीले लाइसेन्स किन्न पर्छ. लाइसेन्स किन्नलाई हामीले आफ्नो एटीएम को माथिको जो नम्बर हुन्छ त्यो फिलअप गरेपछि हाम्रो अकाउन्टबाट इजिली मनी डिडक्ट हुन्छ. अदरवाइज वी विल आवर अकाउन्ट नम्बर दिएपछि उले पैसा डिडक्ट गरेपछि एउटा मेसेज पठाउँछ, त्यसपछि कोड पठाउँछ. त्यो कोड हामीले इन्स्टल गर्ने बेला टाइप गर्ने, त्यसपछि हाम्रो एन्टिभाइरस सफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड हुन्छ. बुझ्यो? त्यसमा हामीले पैसा पे गर्न पर्छ. 1 week को लागि हामीले के सफ्टवेयर युज गरेको छौं. दैट सफ्टवेयर इज नोन एज ट्रायल वर्जन सफ्टवेयर. Understood what is the difference between trial version, open software and paid software?
Yes, ma'am.
भनेको हामीले पैसा पे
Yes,
गर्न
ma'am.
पर्छ. Open source software we can't pay any money, easily we can download. And then some software in trial version, that duration in only 15 days. Now all of you go to page number 42.
44 one out. Page number 44 one out.
Ma'am, 42. Yes, ma'am.
This chapter, any confusion to anyone, now you will ask. So all of you read one's book.
मैम एकचोटि फेरि त्यो 3 नम्बरको देखाइदिन्छ न.
के हो? 3 number means which one?
मैम नम्बर 3 slide.
3 slide is this one. Oh, this is for
name.
Okay, how many types of hardware?
Three types of hardware.
Four types of hardware: input,
Four
processing,
types of
output, storage.
Input,
Input, process, output, and storage. Input is keyboard and mouse, most popular input device. With the help of this, we write question to computer and we enter any information in computer. Processing is main and important part of the computer system. It is known as CPU, and CPU is the brain of the computer system. It is divided into three parts: CU, ALU, MU. CU means control unit. It control all activities of the computer system. Arithmetic logic unit, it is used for mathematical calculation, addition, subtraction. Sorry. Yes, Dinesh, do you want to say? At attendance, I already said.
My internet was so late, that's why I come late.
Okay, fill up that attendance. Arithmetic and logical. Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiplication, division. Logical means less than. Listen carefully and don't disturb me. If any confusion, you raise your hand. And logical, less than, greater than, equal to, etc. ALU used for mathematical calculation. MU means memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily and permanently. There are two types of memory: primary memory or secondary memory. And then output device, final result of any process. Last result is known as output device, and monitor, printer are output device. There are two types of output: soft copy output. Okay, soft copy output is temporary, hard copy is permanent. Soft copy means monitor and hard copy is printer. Soft copy we can easily rob, hard copy we can't rob. Okay, and primary memory is main memory, and there are two types: RAM and ROM. RAM means read only. RAM we can read and RAM we can read and write. It is temporary. Is it cheaper? ROM is we can read, we can't delete anything, and it is expensive. And then secondary, straight up future use. And then CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay. And then computer software, which we can't touch but we can feel. And then it give instruction. It follow user instruction, and it give what to do and what not to do. Two types of software: system and application software. System software is like operating system, language translator, utility, device driver. Application is package and general. And just now we discussed application software. Okay. Now all of you go to page 42.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have submitted it again. Can you please see it once it is it shows on your mobile or not?
Keyboard.
Input device.
Okay, I will tell you do. Okay. Backup, utility software, hard disk, storage device, compiler, C++. Number 1 true, B number false, C number false, D number false, E number false, F number true. A and F are true. A and F are true. A and F are true, other are false. Okay. 3. CPU. 3B. Microsoft DOS. 3C. ROM. 3D. Assembler. 3E. Linux. F number PowerPoint. Up to here, anyone confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
For computer software.
Time. I'm sorry.
For first, which number?
3 number.
3. A. CPU. Microsoft DOS. C. ROM. D. Assembler. E. Linux. F. PowerPoint.
Ma'am,
4A. 2 number which one? True and false. A and F are true. For A, computer software. B number, random access memory. In bracket you write RAM. 4B, access memory. RAM. Sorry.
Ma'am, 4B1s
R, random access memory. Random access memory. 4C, secondary memory.
Ma'am, 4
Computer software.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in phone number C we can write secondary storage device.
Yes. Yes. Secondary memory, otherwise secondary storage device. Any. And D number, compilation. COMPILATION.
what is of C
Compilation.
number?
Secondary memory.
Once again, D number, please.
Go to page number 40. First word is known as compilation. Written or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 40. Answer is compilation. E number, computer hardware.
Ma'am,
हजुर.
D number को मा के हैन हामीले object code लेख्दा हुँदैन.
Object code पनि हुन्छ. You write compilation / object code.
Okay, ma'am.
E number, computer hardware. F number, customized software. F number, customized. F number, open source software, and bracket you write OSS.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, open
Yes.
source.
Open source software and bracket
ma'am, which number?
number.
Ma'am,
4G.
4F1s. 4F.
4G.
Open source software and 4F, customized software.
Ma'am, we can write killer software.
4E computer hardware. And listen, 5 number you do yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
6, 7, 8 we will discuss in next class. And your homework is 1, 5 number. Upload in Google Classroom. From Friday you last date
Ma'am,
of
what is the
submission
answer
your
of
homework.
4F?
4F customized software. Customized software.
Ma'am, 1 को फेरि भन्नु न.
First one,
Number 1.
keyboard input device. B number backup utility software. C number storage device. D number C++. And truths A and F are true, other are false. If any confusion, students?
Ma'am, 4D.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.